F'dawn l-aħħar 3 snin il-volum ta' xogħol żdied b'20%. Stqar dan il-kap eżekuttiv ta' Lufthansa Technik Malta Markus Mochenbacher li żied jgħid li minkejja li ilu ftit xhur biss f'din il-kariga ilu sew josserva l-andament tal-industrija tal-avjazzjoni f'pajjiżna u jħoss li l-preżenza ta' Lufthansa tikkumplementa negozji oħra.
Meaning that it's more complementing businesses that are here rather than competing ones. And the additions of, the new hangar of MCM, for example, or of Aviation Cosmetics, a paint facility here, is a good addition to the service offering of the whole aviation community. And aside from that, Lufthansa Technik Malta in particular, we have attracted more customers in the past 3 years, more of stable customers and happy ones that want to return to us. So we have also increased both our workforce and the man hours, so our capacities actually, and I would say in the past 3 to 4 years by plus 20%, which is substantial.
Malta stabilixxiet posta sew fuq il-mappa tal-industrija tal-avjazzjoni, xi ħaġa li ġibdet l-attenzjoni ta' klijenti ġodda lejn Lufthansa Technik Malta, fosthom EasyJet. Dan hekk kif ftit ta' xurilu EasyJet u Lufthansa iffirmaw ftehim multimiljonarju li wassal biex EasyJet ġabet lejn pajjiżna il-manutenzjoni tal-ajruplani.
It impacted Lufthansa Technik or Lufthansa Technik Malta, we must say, in the sense that it provides us with a stable induction basically across the year, and we are honored because it's one of the top low-cost airlines, and top low-cost airlines means that we are obviously able to provide a service that meets their demands. Not on the cost side only, obviously, but in terms of flexibility, in terms of the technical and digital integration, for example. So all these across the table, that has helped us, and it's a good way of looking forward. Yeah.
Ftehim li ġab miegħu iżjed ħidma anke għall-amministrazzjoni tal-Lufthansa Technik Malta. Dan hekk kif hemm interess li jsir investiment, però kollox jiddependi mill-approvazzjoni tal-kwartieri ġenerali tal-Lufthansa f'Hamburg il-Ġermanja. Mochenbacher qed iħares lejn investiment li jsaħħaħ ir-riżorsa umana.
And we can only get there if we master our cost position, if we master flexibility, and if we provide the quality that we're supposed to provide. And if that is the case, then we can look at investments, maybe not investments necessarily in infrastructure or new hangars, but in technology, such as new aircraft types. The A350, for example, would be an ideal target. And that would mean an investment, as I said, not necessarily in hangar, but in tooling, ground support equipment, and training for the people. So that would be a fantastic possibility.